in the heart of Shillong, where history flows and nature sings along.
Built in 1894, a story to tell, under Sir William Ward, where beauty fell. For Shillong City, a dream so bright, a place of peace in the soft sunlight. Curved wooden bridge, walking paths around, flowers blooming nature's side. Boating days on the gentle wave, a place so calm, a memory to save. Ward's Lake, oh Ward's Lake, heart of Shillong, every step we take, romantic waters shining so clear, calling the lovers, drawing them near. Ward's Lake, oh Ward's Lake, family moments for memory's sake, not just a place, but history's song in Meghalaya, where we all belong. Fish in water, deep and wide, crabs in life in the silent tide. Some believe in a spiritual flow, water of living in the glow. It fills the mind, brings peace inside, where worries fade and hearts confide. Couples walking hand in hand, love and laughter across the land. Ward's Lake, oh Ward's Lake, heart of Shillong, every step we take, romantic letters shining so clear, calling the lovers, drawing them near. Ward's Lake, oh Ward's Lake, family moments for memory's sake, not just a place, but history's song in Meghalaya, where we all belong. Oak, they softly say, a nickname that lives till today. Tourist hearts from far and near find their peace when they come here. Beauty, culture, nature's art, Ward's Lake lives inside the heart. If you ever come to Shillong town, don't let this beauty let you down. One small visit you will see, Ward's Lake is pure legacy. Ward's Lake,